to stop that?
Huh?
You need to stop that?
Screaming?
No, the peeling at the truck.
Why?
Is it your
It's
truck?
not your truck. Can
It
you
is
stop
my truck. It's my truck.
Alright.
This truck was left to me.
Back away from my truck.
This truck was left to me.
No, it was
Back
not.
away from our truck, buddy.
You look like downrighted evil criminal. You
No,
guilty.
you look like an
You
evil
look
criminal.
guilty.
Bro,
Get out of here, you APSCO.
You get out of here.
I've never heard of an APSCO. That's
I haven't
ridiculous.
either.
APSCO? Get out of
APSCO.
here.
Get walking!
I have been watching you every day of your life, you idiot.
That's not your truck.
I've been
That's
watching
fucked
you all
up.
your life. We have
There's a cop right there. I'm gonna wave him over.
I knew you would show up, whore.
You're a whore, bro. Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Get
Get out of
going.
here.
Threatening me? That's
No.
No, I'm not. I'm telling you to leave
You're
these
a
people's
violent
vehicle alone.
criminal.
You're a violent
Your eyes
criminal.
are so dull under that shade, I can tell what you are. And you're laughing. You're a stick.
Someone mind
Oh, you're circling for you, eh? Bitch.
us?
Get away from the vehicle.
Don't get angry in your veins.
Get away from this person's
You're a
vehicle.
dull